I'm going to be sharing with you guys today 5 spiritual Dollar Tree gift ideas that do not look cheap. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave because every single day this month of December I am uploading a new video. So make sure that you're subscribed, you click the bell, you don't miss anything because we're going to be having a lot of fun. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the top 5 items that you can get from the Dollar Tree that are very spiritual and could be used for manifesting and attracting and spirituality, and you can get it from the Dollar Tree and they don't look cheap at all. They're very, very good quality. I've tested them out myself and I just thought these would make such cute, adorable gift ideas, stocking stuffers. Just you can make a gift basket out of it, which I do have a video on my channel, so make sure that you're subscribed because that video, that tutorial, the gift basket one is coming up soon. But anyways, let's jump right in. The number one spiritual item that you can get at the dollar store is candles. They have such a huge variety of the type of candles that you can get, but I specifically picked out the ones that smell really, really good. Even after you light it, it smells up your entire room so beautifully, and they look like you spent some money on it. They don't look like they were $1. So I'm gonna share with you guys some. Here's the first one that I want to share with you guys. It's called Enchanted Night, and the scent is frozen water, and it smells just like men's cologne. And when you burn it, it smells so pretty. The jar is really pretty. You could reuse the jar after the candle is all done. I feel like it would make a really cute jar to keep like coffee or tea in, like loose leaf tea. I think these would make really cute gift ideas, and you only spend $1. You could get like 5 of them and like arrange it in a really cute basket or something. It would make such a cute gift idea. I have a few more candles that I want to share with you guys that would make really cute, like spiritual gift ideas, and let me share with you guys why. If you guys follow me on my channel, you guys know that herbs and oils and scents, they have an insane power to change our life. So when you are dealing with candles, there's scents, they're scented candles, and the ones from the Dollar Tree right now, they're pretty good with their spiritual things. So this one right here is lemon and jasmine, and it says joy and laughter on the candle. So words have a lot of power. Our words are like magic spells just in itself. So just the fact that those words are on this candle, it's joy and laughter. The scent is really, really pretty. Lemon and jasmine are really good herbs to promote joy and happiness. Lemon kind of clears out all the negativity. Another one is their sleep lavender. This has notes of lavender and vanilla. It smells really good. It looks really pretty. Like, it's just, you can't really tell that this was $1. And they actually filled the candle wax up to the top of the jar. And then I was able to find these. This is a soy blend scented candle, and it says peace right on the jar. It's a really, really pretty jar that you can definitely use right after the candle is all gone. And they also filled this candle up to the jar, and the color of the jar is really, really pretty. It smells like vanilla and pumpkins, like a spiced vanilla pumpkin scent. And just the fact that, you know, the jar says peace, it's really cute and perfect for somebody who is spiritual. The next thing that I want to share with you guys that would make such a cute gift idea for somebody who is spiritual is this Buddha statue. It's very, very light, but it's very pretty. Like, if you look at it, it looks like it's something that would be heavy, and for $1, like, you can't go wrong. The energy of the Buddha is very calming and relaxing and just blissful and serene. So to have this near you, that energy, you're just inviting that energy into your life. So this would be a perfect gift for somebody who is spiritual or just coming into spirituality, and then paired with candles. I think it's so cute. The next thing I want to share with you guys is incense. Incense is something that you can get at the dollar store for so cheap. And these have 40 pieces in it. Usually if you get it from like Walmart or the Indian stores, it has like 16 to 20 sticks in one package, so you get 40 in one for $1. Now the ones that I have here are apple cinnamon. They have a few other different kinds of scents, and apples and cinnamon is known to like promote love and happiness and joy and just a lot of passion and love energy, and it will help them like aromatherapy. They can use it in their manifestation rituals. They can use it for calming down. They can use it to freshen up their air. Like, there's a lot of uses for incense, and for 40 sticks for $1, you can't go wrong. The next thing I want to share with you guys is a fragrance diffuser. This would make such an awesome gift idea for Christmas. Basically, you get a little jar of oil. I don't want to open this because I'm actually going to make a gift basket out of it. But you get a little jar of oil, and you do get 7 reed sticks to stick in there, and it diffuses the scent out into the room, the bathroom, wherever you put it. Now, the fun thing about this is that it comes in a lot of different kinds of scents. The one that I have is yuzu pomegranate. They also had I think it was apple cinnamon. They had some other scents too. They had pine, but this is a really good like gift idea for somebody that's spiritual, because scent carries vibration, and the scent of pomegranate, it has very abundant and loving vibrations. And so giving this to somebody and allowing them to put it in their room, it's kind of like giving somebody the energy of love and abundance in a little, you know, fragrance diffuser. So the last item I want to share with you guys that would make such a cute gift idea for Christmas is these fragrance sachets. Now you get a 2-pack for $1, which is not a bad deal at all. Like, the scent is so strong, I can smell it like out of the package. I had this in the Dollar Tree bag, and I put it in my room, and as soon as you walk into the room, the whole room smells like this, and I didn't even take it out of the bag. So it's very, very strong. They have a bunch of scents that you could choose from. They have passion fruit, they have amber, they have vanilla, they have pine. Now, I got pine because it is the holiday season, and the scent of pine, like the vibration of pine, is a scent and vibration of like abundance and attracting money and attracting just abundance and wealth and success. The scents that it comes in are the scents of the herbs that you could use in magic and in like attraction and manifestation. And pine is a really big one, especially right now around the holidays. You could like get away with having your whole house smell like pine, and it's such an abundant energy of like money and wealth and success. So this would be a really, really great gift idea. So that concludes my 5 spiritual gift ideas that you can get from the dollar store that do not look cheap. Leave me a comment down below on what you think would make such a great spiritual gift idea from the Dollar Tree. I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. That way you won't miss another video, because I'm uploading every single day in December. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!